No, the question I was asked is what do I think of the verdict? So I said the prosecution is pleased that the judge has accepted the truth of the prosecution case and believed the credibility of all prosecution witnesses. And the outcome is actually a victory for justice.
What will Sri Najib be into prison?
No, we do not know when Dr. Sri Najib will be put into prison. It all depends on the outcome of the appeal to the Court of Appeal and then to the Federal Court. I can only answer the question at the end of the Federal Court proceedings.
How long will the process last?
I estimate the process will take from the Court of Appeal about 4 months to 5 months, and to the Federal Court another 4 to 5 months. So everything should be, if the records are ready and judgments are ready, by in a year's time.
Dr. Still mentioned that he's looking forward to the appeal. He's very excited and prepared. Maybe you have any comment on that?
No, I think any accused person who has been found guilty will certainly look forward to the appeal to ventilate any shortcomings they think were presented in their favor. I mean, that's a normal reaction of anyone found guilty, and I appreciate his feelings. Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, huh?
He said that he believes the judge was an honest man, but he had honestly made mistakes.
Well, we all know that everyone appointed to the bench must be honest, and this judge is certainly an honest judge. There is no judge who is not honest. But well, the judge has heard the case for 100 days. 57 witnesses from the prosecution and 19 witnesses from the defense. He saw them in person, the documentary evidence that has been presented. He evaluated it. He considered the submission put in by the defense, which ran into more than 2,000 pages, and the submission by the prosecution, which was about 600-700 pages. He's read all that, and his judgment today was testimony that he has considered all the facts, and he has come and made a finding of fact. And that was his right.
Are you satisfied with the court case
I think the maximum sentence was 20 years, and the sentence of 12 years was given. But whether the Attorney General's chambers is satisfied or not, I'll have to take instructions from the Attorney General. Yeah, we'll have to brief the Attorney General and take instructions on that.
So what do you think that Dr. Sri Najib always said even swears, he threats supporters and is Islam?
Okay, without going into anything on religious, all I can say is, on evidence, as presented by the prosecution, there was a sworn affidavit by him that he knew this money was from SRC. And also, the money has gone into Dr. Sri Najib's account, and the bank statements reflect that. So if 42 million goes into your account and you say you don't know, it is up to us, up to the judge to believe or not to believe.
Are you concerned that the appellate court will overturn the decision? Are you going to oversee the whole appeal process?
I have been retained to act as counsel or ad hoc prosecutor until the final court. So I will continue to prosecute this case on behalf of the chambers, Attorney General's chambers.
It's been about a year.
Of course, as prosecutors, we came with evidence, both in documentary witnesses. We presented the evidence, and we are pleased that the evidence that we believed, which we trusted, which we thought there was a case, has been accepted by the court. Of course, it's a huge relief for us with the finding of the learned judge.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
What if the appellate court overturn the decision?
Well, we'll have to cross the bridge when we come to it. It may or may not happen, we don't know. So it's too speculative. Okay, thank you.